Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Augustine Obankene. Today I am going to take you on how to make a report as a class teacher on the results of the students in your class. So just like as you can see in my on my desktop, I have here results that belongs to different students in a particular class. As a class teacher, how do I make this work easier? One, having seen that all these students have their different grades in mathematics, SST, English. So what we are going to do is first we are going to get the total. Now for us to get the total of each of these, we come to the cell for total. Having reached there, you're going to put an equal mark, and then you put sum. Put your sum, and then in this, what we are going to sum is this, and this. So you will close this bracket and enter. So there we have the total marks for Ivan. So you'll come on this cell and then you drag this down, and it gives you the total for all the students. Same way, if we want to get the average of this, you come to the average column, put an equal sign, type average, put average, just like we did for sum. Average is here. Remember, if you put a wrong spelling, it will not give you what you want. Then we come here, just have the average for this, that, and then we close this bracket, enter. So that is our average. Come to that column of the average, drag this down, and it will give you the average for all those particular students. We can have like maybe comments. You come to the comments column. In this case, the comment will either be promoted to the next class, or advised to repeat, basing on the performance. So in the comment column, you put an equal sign, and then we say if this person got marks that are greater or equals to say 50, comma, open the quotes. We open our quotes. Yes, you open the quote and then you put the word promoted. Let's say promoted to P5. So you go this way. So after having done this, we're saying if this is greater or equals to 50, we open our quote. We open the quote. This. Sorry, can have a repeat of this. We open the quote. So we are going to open the quote, and then we say promoted to P5. Then after that we put a comma. We first of all close that. First of all close that quote. Put a comma, and then we can open another quote and say if the person is now not promoted, then we are advised to repeat. Advised to repeat. Close that quotation. And of course in the bracket, and then we can say enter. So as you can see, it has brought promoted to P5. We can drag this down and we see for the different things that we have. Say for all this, so that this was supposed to be is drag from here to down here. Yes. As you can see, we have those who are advised to repeat. We have those who are promoted to P5. Now the next thing that we are going to do, let us see how we can grade. We can grade these students from distinction 1, distinction 2, distinction 3 up to F9. Remember, we are still going to use the same method that we have been using on the comment, in the comment box. We are going to still use the if function for us to be able to grade all these students subject by subject. As you can see here, this is how we do it. Now, just like I said, we are going to still use the if function that we have been able to successfully do in the comment section. So we are going to, let's say for example, if the person has marks that is greater than or equals to 80, we classify that person is going to get a division 1. And if the person gets greater or equal to 70 marks, that person will get division 2. And if the person gets marks greater than or equal to 65, that is a credit 3. If the person has greater or equals to 60, that one is credit 4. And if the person has greater than or equals to 55, we give him or her credit 5. If the person has marks greater than or equals to 50, we give that person a C6 or a credit 6. And if the person has 45 greater than or equals to 45, that's a pass 7. If the person has marks greater than or equals to 40, that is a pass 8. And then the rest, of course, will be in F9. So after using appropriately all your if functions to derive these grades, what we shall do at the end of the day, we are going to say enter. So as you can see from this column, it has given us the grade. So we can drag this down and then we get different grades for all these other students. So we can copy this. We can copy this in this other. Yeah, we can copy this in this other. In this, for the rest of the other grades, we can do this. So what we're basically doing is just to copy whatever we have done in those other columns. What we are doing is just to copy for the rest of the other grades, and then you can go ahead and just drag them down. You come here, drag it down, it gives you the remaining, the other. Come here, drag down, you get everything that you want. You come here, drag down. What's happening here? Come here, great. Come down, yes. Then you come now to the last one. Then just come there and just something is not okay. That is so. Just like for the others, this is what we come up with. So you see that our work has been made easier, other than doing it or typing it word by word per student. You are able to see that we're able to apply certain functions so that we get our work quickened, and within a very short time you can work on 1,000 and 1,000 of students' report cards without any wastage of time. I thank you for being with me. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.